Your checked luggage, a ticking time bomb of potential loss, damage, or even theft. Think about it. It disappears behind a curtain, only to reappear, hopefully on a carousel, scuffed, battered, and maybe, just maybe, missing a few things. You pack your dreams, your essentials, your souvenirs, and you hand it all over to a system you can't control. But what if you could? What if you could flip the script on airport chaos and reclaim your peace of mind? What if you could make your checked luggage safe? That's the question we're answering today, with 11 tips that go far beyond a simple luggage lock. We're diving deep into the secrets of seasoned travelers, the tricks of the trade, and the hacks that will turn your next airport experience from a nail-biting gamble into a smooth, secure, and stress-free journey. From the moment you pack to the second you claim your bag, we've got you covered. So buckle up, because your luggage security is about to get a major upgrade. Luggage tags are great, but let's be real, they're also the first thing to fall off. And with millions of identical black suitcases roaming the planet, how do you make yours stand out? The answer lies in unconventional identification. Think bright, bold, and weird. A neon-colored luggage strap is a classic for a reason. It screams, "That's mine," from a mile away. The goal is to make your bag instantly recognizable to you and utterly unappealing to a thief looking for a quick, anonymous grab. This one is simple, but it's a game changer. Don't pack anything of real value in your checked luggage. We're talking about your laptop, your camera, your expensive jewelry, your prescription medication, and any irreplaceable heirlooms. These items belong in your carry-on. Because checked baggage is a black box. It goes through a series of hands and machines you can't see. While most baggage handlers are honest, the opportunity for theft exists. Keep your valuables close to you, where you can see them and where you are in control. It's the golden rule of secure travel. Most people think a padlock on a zipper makes their luggage secure. Let's bust that myth right now. A simple ballpoint pen can open most zippered suitcases in seconds. Once it's opened, the zipper can be re-zipped, and it looks like nothing ever happened. A lock's primary purpose isn't to prevent a determined thief. It's to deter an opportunistic one. It's a visual cue that says, this bag is not a quick and easy target. A TSA-approved lock is still your best bet, as it allows security personnel to open your bag without destroying the lock. It's a layer of defense, not a fortress. You've seen it at the airport. Those machines that wrap a suitcase in layers and layers of clear plastic. Is it a little over the top? Maybe. Is it effective? Absolutely. This plastic wrap creates a physical barrier that makes it incredibly difficult for a thief to get to your stuff without leaving a very obvious trail of shredded plastic. And if you want to save a few bucks, you can even buy your own stretch wrap and do it yourself at home. This isn't just about security. It's about preserving the life of your expensive luggage, too. Want to know where your bag is at all times? Welcome to the age of smart luggage. We're talking about a small, inexpensive Bluetooth or GPS tracker that you simply drop inside your bag. Brands like AirTag, Tile, and others allow you to track your luggage in real time on your phone. If your bag gets delayed, lost, or accidentally put on the wrong flight, you'll know exactly where it is. This is a powerful tool. Imagine this. The airline tells you your bag is still in Paris, but your phone says it's in Rome with you. This empowers you with information the airline might not even have yet. Luggage tags can get ripped off. It happens. So what's your backup plan? A hidden label inside your luggage. Take a business card, a laminated piece of paper, or a pre-made luggage information sheet and place it on top of your clothes, right under the lid. Include your name, your phone number, your email address, and your destination hotel or address. If your bag is lost and the external tag is gone, whoever opens it to identify it will immediately see your information. Before you check your bag, take a picture of it. Not just a picture of the outside, but a picture of the inside too. Get a shot of what's inside the main compartment. A quick snap of your packed clothes, shoes, and anything else. This creates a digital record. If your bag is lost or damaged, you have immediate proof of its condition and its contents. This can be crucial for filing a claim with the airline or your travel insurance. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and in this case, it might be worth a few $100s in reimbursement. Some airports are now using a new system. When you check in, they scan your luggage tag and print a receipt with a barcode and number. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about you taking a photo of the luggage as it goes onto the conveyor belt to be checked in. This is a step you can take yourself. As your bag starts its journey on the conveyor belt, snap a quick picture of it. This proves your bag was successfully checked in and is on its way. This is especially helpful if your bag disappears between the check-in desk and the plane. It's your last chance to confirm everything is right before it goes behind the curtain. Overstuffed luggage is not just a pain to carry, it's also a security risk. A bag that's bursting at the seams puts strain on the zippers, the seams, and the overall structure of the suitcase. This makes it more likely to burst open during transit. When a bag bursts open, the contents spill out, making it easy for things to get lost, damaged, or stolen. Packing smart and leaving a little wiggle room ensures that your luggage stays intact, your items stay safe, and you avoid those dreaded extra baggage fees. Everyone loves a good designer bag, but flashing that luxury logo on your luggage is like a big, bright target for thieves. Consider a more understated, durable bag. You don't have to sacrifice quality. Many excellent luggage brands focus on function and durability over flashy aesthetics. A simple, well-made bag is less likely to attract unwanted attention. Plus, scuffs and scratches on a black bag are far less noticeable than on a pristine, bright white one. So you've made it. Your flight landed, and you're at the baggage carousel. This is the last leg of the journey, and it's where a lot of mistakes happen. First, be there when the luggage arrives. Don't wait. The longer your bag sits on the carousel, the more likely someone is to accidentally or intentionally walk off with it. Second, when you grab your bag, do a quick visual inspection. Check for any obvious signs of damage, a broken lock, or a tampered zipper. If something looks off, report it immediately to the baggage claim office. Don't leave the airport. It's much harder to file a claim once you've left. And there you have it, 11 tips to transform your checked luggage from a liability into a fortress. It's not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. It's about taking control of the one part of travel that often feels completely out of our hands. So next time you pack, remember these tips. Remember the power of a unique tag, the wisdom of leaving valuables at home, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing exactly where your bag is. Because your luggage holds more than just clothes, it holds your journey, your memories, and your peace of mind. And that, my friends, is worth protecting. Safe travels, everyone.